I'm Mike from Westcotec. We've been manufacturing these vehicle-activated signs for about 15 years now, and we offer them both in mains-powered and alternative energy. And increasingly these days we are asked to put signs up off-grid where there is no mains electricity available, or it's very, very expensive to connect to the mains. And so we offer an alternative either solar or solar and wind. And over the years we've been using the Leading Edge Turbines, and we found it to be very, very reliable indeed. They're silent, easy to erect, lightweight, churn out a really good amount of power, and with the battery which actually operates the sign, they recharge the battery very quickly indeed, and there's been a good solution, cost-effective solution for off-grid working. One of the newer products that we've been developing is our flood warning system. 2 years ago we had those terrible floods, and quite a number of people were drowned in unbridged fords and rivers that had gone way above their normal level. So we've developed this sign, and typically, of course, they're nowhere near the main supply, they're in the middle of the countryside, and so this device measures the actual depth of the water in inches and in centimetres. So if you've got a little sports car and it tells you it's 6 inches deep, you might think, I'll risk it. If you've got a big truck, it's not a problem. And so you can take a decision based on the real-time level of the water. Now, clearly, we don't want to put this at the edge of the water, because by the time you've got there down a single track in a truck, you're not going to be able to get back again. So we have a remote sign, maybe 2 miles, maybe 3 miles away from where the flooding is, and often they're powered by a wind turbine. And in order to save power on a quiet road, we put a radar in the sign, so the sign is normally not working at all, but as any vehicle approaches it, it springs to life and it shows you how deep the water is, and then you can decide whether or not it's safe to proceed.